Peru, situated in the central part of South America, is a diverse country rich with favorable land and climates, fostering the development of important agricultural and agro-industrial activity that has been the foundation for its gastronomic launch worldwide. Lurin is a district located in the city of Lima, capital of Peru, and surrounded by fertile land, and it is here where the food processing plant of Aliex, Alimentos de Exportación, is located. Inside the modern infrastructure of the company, the brands Walibi and Libby's are manufactured. This company has seen achievement that goes back to the year 1984. One of the founders won a scholarship for advanced studies in the food industry at the Jean Blou University in Belgium. While he was studying hard to achieve his postgraduate degree in the food industry, he met an amazing chef who worked in one of the restaurants located in the university campus. That chef was known by the nickname of Walibi, also the name of an amusement park. The young student, without realizing, was learning from him the true techniques and passion for food preparation and seasoning. Now, Walibi is the name of the emblematic brand of the company, represents the knowledge and passion for the taste of our products, and above all, the joy of it. Aliex is a Peruvian company that works with enthusiasm and persistency, betting on the development and the production of the agro-industrial sector with strong conviction. In this sense, all the phases of the production chain are articulated from the crop and the harvest to the process and packing, meeting high-quality industry standards. We're talking about an integrated company with solidity and highly competitive technological profile that shows a unique position for its levels of vertical integration and diverse technology. Today, the company with its modern plant has the following: reception area for fruits and vegetables, large patio with a maneuvering court and input warehouse, boiler room with a last generation water tube boiler, pulps room with modern cooking equipment, automatic packaging machine with mechanic, automatic and electronic settings, state-of-the-art labeling machines, complete quality control laboratory, and a large final product warehouse. All the industrial installations are fitted with controlled temperature and atmosphere. Alimentos de Exportación, Aliex, has diversified its operations in 3 types of products: industrial consumption, semi-industrial consumption, and massive consumption. The products for industrial consumption are designated for big industrial companies and are used as raw material for the preparation of yogurts and fresh drinks. Those products are distributed nationally and internationally. Some companies that demand high-quality standards and trust Aliex's products are Gloria, Live, and others. The products for semi-industrial consumption are designated for the national gastronomic industry. Thinking of the economy of those businesses, we provide big-size formats that permit stint on packages, maximizing the quality of the product. These products are sold through traditional channels and authorized distributors. The products for massive consumption are designed for the general consumption, including teenagers and adults. The idea is to complement their foods with innovative flavors, using high-quality ingredients and superior packaging. These products are sold in the best supermarket chains. All the foods provided by Aliex, condiments, fruit pulps, and tomato paste, are high quality. All Aliex products meet the standards and requirements requested for food security at the national and international level, based on continuous food processing innovation, as well as the permanent staff training. The vision of the company is consistent with the vision of the country that lives an encouraging present and views the future with optimism by keeping up to date with technology and continuous innovation for the benefit of their clients, consumers, staff, and families. Aliex is part of a country that grows with optimism. Aliex, Alimentos de Exportación, and its brand Walibi are the flavor's magic.